Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this walkthrough video, I will show you how to create an alternate email or email alias in your GSuite account. Let's get started. Hello friends, let's start creating an email alias in our GSuite account. First of all, I would like to explain what is email alias. Email alias is an alternate email address that we can add in our primary email account, so you can receive emails within the primary email accounts for that alternate email address. So here is how we can create email alias in our GSuite account. To create an email alias, open your admin console. In admin console, you can see that there is an option to create an alternate email address. So let's click this, and I want to add alternate email address in my existing email address. So I am writing my existing email address here, which is info@techtwitter.com. Proceed. Okay. So here we can write any alternate email address that we want to use. I want to add sport@techtwitter.com and I will save that. As you can see that alternate email address for my primary email address has been created, and now I can use it for sending and receiving emails. Let's test it by sending an email to the alternate email address. Here in the other Gmail account, let's send the email to sport@techtwitter.com with the subject testing alias email and the same body. Let's send it. Okay, so in this inbox, we are going to receive the email. We can see the email that was sent to the alternate email address. So let's check. It was sent to sport@techtwitter.com and it is received on info@techtwitter.com. This is how email alias work when we send email to the alternate email address.